I, Dr. Santosh Singh, Associate Professor of Sociology, wants to share my views on techniques of data collection, that is interview process. In my earlier video, I had told about questionnaire, and here I am going to tell you what is an interview process. Interview word has been taken from Latin word interaction, or to talk to each other. So in interview, what happens? A person is an interviewer. He or she will make some set of questions and will ask the respondents or the interviewee to collect data for some purpose, like it can be a research, or it can be marketing, or it can be some policy, or it can be some survey. So for different purposes, an interview is conducted in our society. So what is an interview? Interview is a talking process, an oral talking, where the interviewer puts some questions to the interviewees or the respondents, and the respondents answers those questions. In this way, in this process of interview, the interviewer is able to collect data for his research purpose. So some specific characteristics are there in an interview. First feature is an interviewer is present. He or she has to be there when and how and where to conduct the interview. Now the interviewer, what or he or she does when he has to face an interview, and he has to set up some questions, and those questions will be asked to the respondents according to the topic of your research. So here these questions has to be recorded or pre-written. It depends what type of interview you are going to take up. Now this is the first feature of an interview. The second feature is the time has to be fixed when the interview has to be taken place, where it has to be taken place, the location has to be decided. And here the fourth feature is that interview is being conducted within one individual to another individual, or it is going to be face to face, or the interviewer is one person and he is going to conduct the interview on a group of persons, because it can be this way also. One interview can be conducted with a group of respondents also. So these are the features of an interview. Now we come to the types of interview. There are different types of interview. First one is formal, which we can say structured interview. The second one is informal, unstructured interview. And then despite these two interviews types of, there are focus interview, there are group interviews, there are some counseling interviews, and there are interviews itself when they are conducted to fill up some vacancy in our society. So let me tell you quickly the first type of interview, that is direct interview or structured interview or formal interview. What happens in this interview? An interviewer has to set up those questions. He or she is going to ask the respondents. He or she can answer in their own way how to answer the questions. So there is a little bit of flexibility in this type of interview, which we can say unstructured type. The questions can be set up, the questions can be changed according to the demand of the situation. And the third one is focused interview. What happens in this focused interview? The interviewer makes up the mind that the topic of the research has to be focused to the point. Question will be asked, and the interviewer is always on alert that he or she hasn't at any cost move out of the focus. Now the next interviews are types of interviews are this counseling type of interviews are also present in our society. Sometimes what happens, some psychological problems come up, and for them the treatment has to be given, counseling has to be done to the patients. So these types of interviews are also found in our society. Now, these are the types of interview. Now, before I move further, there are advantages and disadvantages of interview also. First advantage of interview is that it is very focused, it is time saving, it is face-to-face interaction is there, rapport is established, and everything is fine as it seems to be. Because in an interview, everything is, questions are set up, you have to ask the questions according to your topic of research. There are many advantages of interview process, and it is very good in the sense that the interview is present any situation when arises. The interview is there to change the situation according to his convenience. So if suppose some issues are there in the interview process, those are sensitive, so then the interviewer is capable of changing the situation, and then he or she can put up some other questions so that the sensitive issue can be tackled later on. So these are some psychological points, some small very tips of making the interview process successful. So it is very time saving, it is very practical, and it is also very good in the sense that the respondents are made clear on any topic which is possible at any time. And moreover, the interviewer has to be very alert when taking up any sensitive issues of our society. So beside these, there are some disadvantages also. When we are talking about the advantages, side by side there are disadvantages also, like pros and cons of any situation. So what happens when we are saying that it is time saving, it is time consuming also. What happens that sometimes when we taken up the appointment, we even know that the respondents are present, but some emergency situations does come up that respondents may tell you that they are not at home, or they are some busy in some errand. Then at that time the interview has to change his schedule, or you can say he or she has to bear the transportation cost of going again and again to a particular place and meeting the respondents. So here it is becomes more costlier. It instead of saving time, it takes more time. And yes, in addition to these, biasness of the interviewer also is present in sometimes. What happens then when sensitive issues are taken up, because interviewer is not outside the society, he or she is a member of that society. If any issue is there, then his or her opinions are also going to affect the respondents. So this criteria has to be tackled, that the interviewer has to stay alone or apart from the topic of his or her research in order to make the research successful. So despite this, the interviewer has to be very tactful in tackling her topic, because sometimes when you ask the question directly, the respondents do not want to answer. If you ask them round about the topic, then they easily you can take out the information. It has to be, you can say the interview has to be a little bit intelligent also to tackle up such topics. So here we end up telling you about the meaning of interview, the features of interview, then there are advantages and disadvantages of interview. In the next video, I am going to tell you about observation and schedule of techniques of data collection.